attention of our officers.
Magandang hapon, Binalonan! Wala ba tayong malakas sa palakpakan? VWCP! Ganap na po natin umpisahan ang ating programa. Welcome sa ating first Volkswagen Classic and Custom Car Show in line with the celebration of VW World Day. We would like to invite everyone to please stand. Magsitayuan na rin tayo. We would like to invite everyone to please stand. Now we'll now proceed sa ating program and we'll start with our invocation.
LG Florendo for our invocation, to be followed by our national anthem.
Loob niyo sa amin at kami nagkatipon-tipon sa isang event na magbibigay ng kasiyahan sa lahat. Panginoon, dalangin namin na gabayan niyo kami. Salamat Lord sa safe travel sa mga umaten. Salamat Lord sa magandang panahon. Lord, dalangin namin na you bless us with the good weather. Kung ulanin man yung sapat lang na manabigan kami. And we just ask Lord that you be with us, that we will be able to foster camaraderie and fellowship among the Volkswagen owners and enthusiasts. Lord, we just thank you, Lord. We just want to honor you. We ask for your blessing for today. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
For his opening remarks, palakpakan naman natin, President Albert Ray L. Uson.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and fellow Volkswagen enthusiasts, a warm and heartfelt welcome to the Volkswagen World Day celebration here in Pangasinan. As the president of Pangasinan East Chapter, it gives me a great pleasure to stand before you today as we come together to celebrate the timeless essence of classic Volkswagen cars in each and every family. And I would like to acknowledge the presence of Honorable Ramon Monmon Gico III, Governor of Pangasinan, Honorable Ramon Monching Gico Jr., Representative of 5th District, Pangasinan, Honorable Ramon Ronald Gico IV, Mayor of Binalonan, Pangasinan, Honorable Brian Louis Balangue, Vice Mayor of Binalonan, Pangasinan, Commodore Ildefonso Tronqued, President, VWCP National Center, Manila, and all VWCP chapter presidents. Today, we gather not just a car enthusiasts, but a community bonded by our shared love for these iconic vehicles. Each Volkswagen cars holds a special place in our hearts, carrying it with memories of road trips, family adventures, and unforgettable moments. They have become a part of our lives, a symbol of freedom and joy on wheels. As we celebrate this Volkswagen World Day, let us embrace the spirit of camaraderie and brotherhood that these cars embody. It's not just the sleek curves, the vintage designs, or the engines. It's about the people who come together, forming a tight-knit community that supports and uplifts one another. So let's rev up our engines, ignite the passion within, and embark a day filled with fun, laughter, and love for Volkswagen cars. Enjoy the exhibits, connect with fellow enthusiasts, and make memories that will last a lifetime. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang Volkswagen World Day Celebration. Let the first Volkswagen Classic and Custom Car Show Summer Festival begin.
Thank you so much. C season.
Good afternoon, everyone. We would like to award this plaque of appreciation to our dearly beloved Mayor of Binalonan, Honorable Ramon Ronald V. Gico IV. Without his invaluable support, we would not have access to the beautiful grounds of this town to celebrate VW World Day 2023. A first in many ways. First, all VW Classic and Custom Car Show event in Pangasinan's Eastern Shores. Agyaman kami, Apo Mayor. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Mr. Charlie C. Season. Palapakan naman po natin, Mr. Charlie C. Season. And here's the awarding of flag of appreciation to our guest of honor speaker. Wala pong iba, our Municipal Mayor of Binalonan, Pangasinan, Honorable Ramon Ronald V. Gico IV. And of course, to the Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Brian Louis R. Balangge. Maraming salamat po. And to all officers of PWCP Pangasinan East Chapter and being the host of our first Volkswagen Classic and Custom Car Show celebration of VW World Day. Palakpakan naman natin ang host natin, ang Pangasinan East Chapter. And ngayon naman po, gusto namin marinig ang sigawan ng ating mga bisita na nanggaling pa sa mga malalayong lugar. Gusto ko marinig ang inyong hiyawan at palakpakan. East Chapter! Nasaan naman po ang Baguio Chapter? Hello po sa inyo, magandang hapon. At syempre, together with us today, National Center Manila. Yun, nandun sa Gluten, hello po sa inyo. Kamusta po ang biyahe? Yan, medyo mainit kanina. Ngayon, yung request ng ating President at ang request ng ating si Mr. Florendo, ambunan lang tayo ng konti para hindi tayo masyadong mainitan. Pero ako ambunan po ba? Huwag na sana masyadong locker and nag-parent po, nagpahiram ng air cooler, our LYKA station for our mineral water, ganoon po sa Unson Steel, Ma'am Joanna Lau, donated spare parts for raffle draw from Mr. Noli Soriano. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga sponsors. And now, we'll now proceed to our awarding of official VWCP badges to the officers and members of VWCP Pangasinan East Chapter to be awarded by the VWCP National Center Manila. But before that, let's hear a short message at National Center Manila. Let's all welcome Mr. Commodore Ildefonso Boy Tronquel. Palakpakan naman natin si President. Manila, Mr. Commodore Ildefonso Boy Tronquel. Once again, let's all welcome on stage for his inspirational message.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat, sa mga gandang binibini, sa mga gwapo, kung man sinasabi nila dito. Anyway, nagulat ako sa daming Volkswagen dito sa Pangasinan, sa Binalonan. At ang gaganda, may kasama akong tiga-England na nandito, kasabay ko sa, sabi na, I never saw so many Beatles in my life. Kaya Talagang tuwang-tuwa kami. Hindi ko akalain na almost 1984 nung tinayo namin itong Volkswagen Club of the Philippines. Kasama ko yung mga sila Maui Chanco, sila Eddie Roses. We put this club together. Hindi ko akalain na lalaki ng ganito, even though I left for a while. Alam ko, kaya lumaki ito no, sa mga tiga Pangasinan eh. Anyway, I hope that we continue to fix our cars as beautiful or more beautiful the way they look today. I wish they will look better 10 or 15 years from now. Na dumami yung mga kasama natin na mga ating kapatid na Volkswagen lovers. Ayoko na magsalita masyado dahil medyo mainit at dami rin nahihirapan. Anyway, tubig lang ng tubig para hindi tayo ma-dehydrate. Pero talagang I admire the people who made this thing go more like this. Maraming po salamat sa inyong lahat at more power to all of you. Thank you. Mabuhay o kayo, mabuhay.
Thank you for the wonderful message. The President of National Center Manila, Mr. Commodore Ildefonso Boy Tronquete. And now,